We are mounting a TV today, so let's get right into it. First thing you're going to want to do is find out where you want the TV to go and if there are studs located there for you to drill the mount into. If not, the kit that you buy should come with wall anchors that you can put directly into the drywall. However, if possible, drilling into a stud is certainly going to be best. Studs are 16 inches apart, and if you can find a stud finder such as this one, you can mark the edges of the stud and then make a center dot there for where you want the drill bit to go. And again, if you've done this correctly and if the wood studs are placed correctly, they'll be 16 inches apart. I've never been great at getting a TV level, so I busted out the laser level and adjusted the drilling template to it so that we can make sure this TV is straight. If you don't have a laser level, most people don't. If you don't, you can use just a standard level, and oftentimes these mounts will come with a level directly built into them, but it's not always perfect. After you have found your studs, you can set the drilling template to it. They're 16 inches apart, just like the studs should be. And the manufacturer probably won't tell you this, but if you get two studs or if you get two screws in the studs, that's probably enough to hold your TV. However, we installed four drills, or we drilled four holes here just for the sake of making sure that there won't be any problems. So get your socket wrench, and my children were sleeping at this time, so I tried to minimize my power tools. That's why I'm doing this the old-fashioned way. But if you get a socket wrench and install your first screw and the washer there, as well as the second one, and this is the bracket of which the mounts are going to sit onto. So once you attach the mounts to the back of the TV, they will hang on this bracket. And this is just double checking to make sure we are perfectly straight, and we are. So now I'll add the other two screws. Likely better to drill those holes and put the drywall anchors in prior to putting the mount up, but I didn't need to. And now these are the brackets that fix directly to the back of your TV. They're pretty universal. Samsung has a problem with the screws going all the way into the TV. They're either too short or too long. So these are too long, so you'll notice the screw sticking out a little bit. That's fine. You can still get the TV to mount. The little hooks on the end of the brackets, as you see here, can still grab the back of the mount. And then all we're going to do is put it right up there. And it looks like that. Once you're done, it takes a couple tries, and I definitely recommend having two people hold it so at least one person can be looking in the back while you're trying to mount it. But that's it. We'll hide the cords later. Very simple to do. Let me know if you have any questions or maybe how you would have done it differently. Look forward to always being a resource.